Welcome to Relax Meditation and the Path for Relationships. In this 5-day program, we will explore a series of meditation techniques designed to help you gain insights about yourself and the way you interact with the people around you, so that you can find better ways to enjoy and make the most of each relationship in your life. Let's begin with a mindfulness concept that speaks about how each one of us is as complex as the universe itself. Our complexity as individuals comes from every element in our lives that has influenced our personality and life choices since early childhood up until this very moment, shaping us into what we are today. Our complexity is so deep and vast that sometimes we don't even know ourselves to our fullest extent. In order to succeed in a relationship, regardless of the type of relationship we have with someone, we first need to be fully aware of ourselves so that we can properly and consciously make the right decisions regarding our life, our happiness, and the relationships we build. This is not to say that everything has to be incredibly complicated. On the contrary, the idea is that the better we know ourselves, the easier it becomes for us to choose the right path towards our happiness and the right kind of people to surround ourselves with in order to get there. Let's begin today's meditation with a journey into our inner selves so that we can get to know ourselves better and with full awareness, acceptance, and understanding of everything we are. Start by finding a comfortable position, making sure there is no tension in your spine and neck. Make sure that for the next 15 to 20 minutes you will not be disturbed. At your own pace, take a long, deep breath, and when you feel ready, close your eyes. Take 5 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, trying to make your breaths as long and as gentle as is comfortable for you. Every time you inhale, imagine yourself taking a walk into a warm, bright, open field, full of green pastures, mountains, and valleys. Take 5 more deep breaths and continue to walk until you find the center of a valley. Think of the valley as a representation of your heart and give it any shape you want. Imagine a majestic tree full of leaves and flowers, a giant lagoon of crystalline water, or a field of flowers of a particular color. Give it a shape that best defines your personality. At your own pace, imagine yourself walking towards the center of the valley and witness it with full awareness. If you feel it necessary, you can describe the image in your mind like a painting taking shape before your eyes. While you are admiring the center of the valley, take 5 more deep breaths and see if you can bring to mind 5 positive characteristics you believe make you who you are. List every one of these characteristics in your mind and witness them from a neutral standpoint. Do not accept or reject them. Simply witness them, like witnessing a tree or a cloud. At your own pace, take 5 more deep breaths and see if you can bring to mind 5 characteristics that you feel need to be improved. Do not judge them. Do not punish yourself for them or criticize them. See if you can witness them from a neutral standpoint. At your own pace, bring your breath back to normal. There are colors, shapes, and textures in the world that, when put together, create a place full of wonders and diversity. We as people are also filled with colors, shapes, and textures that contribute to that scenery of wonders. We are a universe within a universe. We are as diverse and as colorful as nature itself, and we can live in perfect harmony with ourselves and with each other, just as nature preserves harmony throughout the world. Slowly bring your attention back into the room. Gently move your feet up and down like pushing on a pedal. Slowly close and open your hands, and at your own pace, open your eyes. Today, as you go about your day, see if you can find clues in your behavior that clearly demonstrate your authentic self. Don't hold any judgment against yourself. Don't approve or disapprove of yourself in any way. Simply become aware of things from a neutral standpoint and see if you can get to know yourself better by doing this. Congratulations on completing the first day on the relationships path. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.